Alright, this is going to be a review of the Rancho rear differential skid plate. This one is going to be very similar to the one on the front that we already did. As you can tell, the only difference to this one is this part right here. So they're not interchangeable because of that. They do fit a little differently. As you can go over the instructions, you see it is very simple. You take out the 2 bolts on this side, 2 on that side, put it in, and then you're going to be adding this brace on top, which the other one had the little tiny U-clamp. So we'll mount that up and get you a view of it. Alright, so going over this one, as you can tell, I've already removed these 2. These ones here are loosened up. We're just going to take these 2 bolts out. And when we lift this up, that's going to line up. We're going to put our new bolts in. That's pretty much about all that you have here. And we'll do a side angle to show you kind of the distance. The reason I chose this skid plate over some of the rear differential covers is this you do not have to drain the fluid at all. By just removing those simple bolts and leaving the rest in, it's still sealed, so that kind of made it a little easier for both now and if we ever want to take them off for any reason. Alright, and after putting the 4 bolts on the back side and torquing them down to the specs from the sheet, you can tell there's a little bit of clearance there. I've still got to put on the bar that goes up top, but as you can tell from the front one, which I'll zoom in, got plenty of ground clearance, provides a lot of upper strength, and we'll get a view from the other side now. And here you go from the upper side. As you can tell, that goes up and over. A little bit hard to see, but it is a nice tight clearance. It goes up in there and provides a lot of adequate ground space clearance. It doesn't take up much distance and still allows you to be able to drain and do anything you need to do. And as you can tell with some of this body armor, it's definitely going to protect you. As you can see, some of the damage that has occurred already from some of the other trails we've done.